Welcome viewers. In this video, we'll see the relationship between two-port network parameters, ABCD parameter in terms of Y parameters. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic ABCD parameter in terms of Y parameters. In two-port network, there are four parameters available. First one is the Z parameter, open circuit impedance parameter. Second one is Y parameter, short circuit admittance parameter. Third one is hybrid parameter, combination of Z and Y. Fourth one is ABCD transmission parameters. A separate video available for all these parameters. In this video, we will see how we are going to express ABCD parameters in terms of Y parameter. This ABCD parameter normally used for design of transmission line. That's why called a transmission parameters. Here V1, I1 available. 1 refers the input port. 2 refers the output port. So input port voltage and input port current are expressed in terms of output port voltage and current. V1, I1 expressed in terms of V2, I2. A, B, C, D are the parameters. ABCD parameters. We'll take this equation number 1 and 2. Now we'll see the Y, short circuit admittance parameters. Here I1 and I2, input port current and output port current, I1 and I2 are expressed in terms of V1 and V2, input port voltage and output port voltage. Right? So I1, I2 expressed in terms of V1, V2. Y11, Y12, Y21, Y22 are the admittance parameters. Take this equation number 3 and 4. Now we'll see how to get the relationship. Now to consider the equation 4. We are going to rewrite the equation number 4. So this is equation 4. I2 equal to Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2. Right? So brought this Y2 to V2 in the left hand side, so that it become negative. I2 minus Y2 to V2 equal to this term Y21 V1. Now rearrange this. This term is written left hand side. These two terms are written in right hand side. Just rewrite. Y21 V1 equal to I2 minus Y2 to V2. Right. Now brought this Y21 in the denominator of right hand side. This term is brought in the denominator. So 1 divided by Y21 I2 minus Y22 divided by Y21 V2. Right. So we'll write this V2 term first and I2 term next. So that V1 equal to minus, here minus is there, minus Y22 divided by Y21 into V2 plus 1 divided by Y21 into I2. Right. Now we got the expression for V1. Take this equation number 5. We'll take this equation number 5. Now we are going to substitute this value of V1 in equation number 3. Right? In equation 3, we are going to substitute the value of V1. What is equation 3? Equation 3 is I1 equal to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2. In this V1, we are going to substitute this value from this equation number 5. So this V1 is replaced by this value. Now we'll multiply this Y11 inside. This is available commonly. We'll multiply inside. Right. So while multiplying, what happens here? Negative is there. Minus Y11 Y22 divided by Y21 into V2 plus Y11 divided by Y21 into I2 and this term Y12 into V2. Now this V2 available in first and third term commonly available. We can take this V2 outside. So what happened? First write this term Y12 minus, this minus is there, Y11 Y22 divided by Y21 plus into V2 plus this term. The next term we will take the LCM of this term. We will take the LCM in order to further simplification. So while taking LCM, it becomes Y21 is taken commonly. So it is multiplied that side. So that Y12 Y21 minus Y11 Y22 divided by Y21. And second term is there. So this term can be written as delta Y. This is nothing but a determinant of Y matrix. So this y11 y12 into y21 minus y11 y into y22 can be written as delta y. Actually it is y11 into y12 minus this term. Now it is available in a reverse order, so it is negative, right? So the delta y is actually y11 into y12 minus y12 into y21. Now it is available in a reverse order, so it is given as negative. Now we'll take this equation number 6. Now we got the expression of I1. Now we are going to compare this equation 5 and 6, what we rewrite, with equation 1 and 2, so that we got the relationship. So what is the equation 5? This is nothing but V1. What we rewrite. Equation 6 is I1, what we got earlier. Then equation 1 and 2. This is nothing but general equation of the transmission parameter. So in equation 5 and 6 is given as V1 and I1. In equation 1 and 2 also V1 and I1. So that we can compare the coefficient of equation 1 and 2 with equation 5 and 6. First we will compare the equation 1 with equation 5 because both are V1. In equation 1 the coefficient of V2 is A. Here coefficient of V2 is minus y22 divided by y1. So both are equal. A equal to minus y22 divided by y21. Similarly, the coefficient of I2 is minus B. Minus is available. Similarly, here the coefficient of I2 is y1 divided by y21. So B equal to minus 1 divided by y21. Because of negative we got here minus. Right. So the coefficient of this A is equal to this term. The parameter minus B is equal to this term. Now we'll compare equation 2 and 6. In equation 2 the coefficient of V2 is C. Here the coefficient of V2 is minus delta y divided by y21. So both are equal. C equal to minus delta y divided by y21. Similarly the coefficient of I2 is minus D. Here coefficient of I2 is y11 divided by y21. So both are equal. D equal to minus y11 divided by y21. Here negative is there, so that we got. So C is equal to this term, minus D is equal to this term. So now we got the relationship between ABCD parameter in terms of Y parameter, right? A is equal to this term, minus B is equal to this term, C is equal to this term, minus D is equal to this term. So in this video we discussed what is the two-port network, what are the parameters available. Then we discussed the general equation of ABCD parameter and Y parameter. Then we rewrite the equation so that we got the new equation 5 and 6. That is compared with 1 and 2, so that we got the relation between ABCD parameter with Y parameter in terms of Y parameter. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening. All the best for your examination.